Hi, I'm Stephanie Kaiser and I'm your Lilla Rose stylist. Today I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to do a ponytail. Today I'm using the Flexi Flip, which depending on, this is the small size, depending on how much hair you have, you could either wear it this way or it flips over for a little bit more snug fit to wear it this way. So the first way is just a straight ponytail. So gather all of your hair up into a ponytail like this, and then you're going to take the clip like this, put the pin underneath your ponytail that you want to gather, and the colorful part goes over the top. And then on the other side you just find the pin through the loop, and there you have it. Quick, easy ponytail. The second way is to do keep all the hair gathered up here, and then you can just do a little twist and put the pin under here like this. Put the pin through the loop to secure it. And now you have a high ponytail. This one hides the clip a little bit more, so depending on the look you're going for, you could do that. Or you could just push your hair off to the side and do more of it like that if you wanted to show a little bit more of what the clip is. So those are my 2 quick and easy ponytail styles for you. Thanks.